groups in the world today called body and mind. The yoga of the mind is called a separate group in the world called spiritual. All these people in the spirit, those who are pursuing sick, physically, none of them fit. And they are the other world, body mongers. These are called soul mongers. Not soul mongers, they are called taste mongers, perception mongers, ego mongers, experience mongers, not frankly speaking soul mongers. And they are called body mongers. This is called physical yoga, fitness, physical fitness, or physical yoga. These people do not know the value of software, and these people do not know the value of what is the right software. They do not know, much worse. And their body, absolutely their body is not in condition. The vehicle itself is not in condition. Vehicle is in very poor condition. Their mind is already addicted, schizophrenic, obsession. This is our yoga. This is separate. This is separate. This is what Krishnamacharya used to tell. This is not called yoga. So this name itself, yoga, spirituality is not a yoga at all. It is moved away from yoga. Today yoga means physical. You go anywhere in the world, you say yoga. The moment you say, hey, I am doing everyday yoga. In the morning, I am doing everyday half an hour yoga. Means everyone, yoga means this physical body. I meditate. So, Mr. Kumar, do you practice yoga? Yes, I practice yoga. So, which are you practicing? Iyengar or Pattabhi Joy said, no, I practice, Lama's meditation. Lama meditation is a yoga. That is spirituality. Oh, I thought you are a yoga. You are confused between yoga and spirituality. Who is confused? And these people, guys, big, all 5 stars and all big billionaires and the lazy guys who don't work with his physical body, tamasic, basically. The body is not fit, and so the stress, they want to have dose of drug, the dopamine, and they call it the spirituality. This is the books. And all the guru. For what? To experience some dopamine. So, what is the right software to the singularity? The goal is not at all a singularity. The goal is all about separating singularities, duality. All their goal is a duality, worshipping the duality. Far away from singularity. And these people go body. And these people, body worshippers. These people, perception worshippers, experience worshippers, addicts. That's a problem today. That's why Krishnamacharya said, yoga means this is separated. This is separate today, this is separate today. Oh, you are spiritual. Oh, you practice yoga. Yoga means this, not this. Actually, yoga is this or this. Is it about software or is it about body? It is totally software. Your Annamaya Kosha, body is only one part. Even Buddha uses aggregates, only physical body. But physical body, vehicle is controlled by what? Your metabolism is controlled by what? Mind. Your cellular metabolism is controlled by the body. What is the role of the body? What is the role of your vehicle? Is your software. Your software right now when you are not handy, that's why physical body is falling sick. And I feel pathetic when he says, I practice meditation, he has a diabetes, he has a hypertension, and he has a back problem, he has a neck problem, he has a knee problem, he has an ankle problem, he has a constipation, and he says, I'm a spiritual. I progressed very well in the spiritual. Oh, I experience. Body is completely sick all the time, swallowing pills, morning pills and evening pills, spiritual. And these people don't swallow the pills, they drink whatever it is, because their mind is so poor. Arrogance. And all these people have the problem with the relationships and that problem, this problem, all software problem they have. The software is not at all in good shape. Arrogance, highly egoistic. This is why, where does yoga go? Why we don't teach? So either you are a body or a vehicle, I am telling you, what God has given. Remember, a Rolls Royce car to a monkey. That's the biggest blunder ever in the entire process of evolution happened. And now this monkey is ruining the entire planet. Whether monkey ruined this planet or not, but in a human, worse than a monkey is a demon. Understand? Today the problem of the world is that. So what can change? Behavioral yoga can completely transform your personality. It is only for transformation to make a good human, a nurturing human, a loving human. A man, unconditional love, unconditional, everything is unconditional. Neither these people nor these people, far away from the goal. Is it yoga achieving its purpose? So when we are at a level, stupid level of, fully automatic car, but you are worried about servicing the car, or you are worried about, every day washing the car, keeping the car, running the car, but software is completely driving it crazy, yet you are not worried about the software. Software is having your software, fully automated car, software completely affected by the viruses. Yeah, as I told you, it is captured by me. Your software is your vehicle, I can decide how your vehicle, where it should drive. An advertisement on the TV deciding where your vehicle has to be driven. When you are reading a book, that book fellow, the author is deciding where you have to be drawn, where your vehicle has to go, what your software has to imagine. Are you? You are completely dependent. Your vehicle is not independent. Your software, you don't like, how come this fellow will decide the software, and how come he doesn't release the open source code? Because outside you talk like this. But what about you? And you want the software to be decided by someone. You don't want to have access to your own software. You don't want to have control over your software. So, madness it is. Is there anything beyond this madness? So that's why a person with the wisdom only gives importance to what? Software. Your software is important. I have this gadget. There is no software in it. Does it have any value? I am owning this, and I am showing you. So can you see your face in this? Light is there. Can you see your face in this? Yes, I can see. It's a very good mirror, It is a Microsoft Pro. It can be very good mirror. I can see my faces. Hey, it should not be used for a mirroring. No, I am using it for a mirror. It's a very good mirror. You can see. You can see your face. I never saw a mirror like this. So if I use it as a mirror, will you come to learn yoga from me? You will never come. You will run away from it. If I say this is a mirror, Microsoft Pro, and you know the value of what is the Microsoft, the most expensive laptop it is. It is not an iPad. The world's most expensive gadget, that what I am holding it in. Suppose I am not using it. So what it can do, as software engineer. Suppose I am not using it, I am using it as a mirror. Do you call wisdom or stupidity? You say it is the peak of stupidity, Kumar. That's what I am telling you. Peak of the stupidity, your vehicle. You are not worried about your software. You are using this as a mirror. Every day standing in front of the mirror, you see. White hair. Oh my God. Here the hair, pimple. Oh my God. Morning, evening. Oh my God, pimple. Everyone looking. So what do I do? Some paste, some color, mask, pimple, because everyone's, blemishless. Skin should be blemishless. It cannot be. So apply some paint. This is what we are worried using. Microsoft Pro 2, if I am using it as a mirror, you say, this is true, it's a peak of stupidity, Kumar. I am just trying to tell you, what is your peak of stupidity, that's all. The whole purpose is of using this Microsoft Pro hardware is for software. The whole purpose of this vehicle is only for singularity. Only the purpose of this. And I am seeing COVID, everyone. Now everyone became so conscious. Now again, rat race on the roads early in the morning. Again, COVID spreads very quickly. I am telling you, the moment lockdown is lifted, I may not see rush in the malls, but I will see rush on the roads early morning in the gardens, because now everyone will become suddenly, we are like Smashana Vairagya. Until this COVID fear is gone, everyone will become suddenly fitness conscious and running like a robot and running. And if I run much faster means I will become more fit and I will be running more faster like this. And if I walk like this, that's called brisk walking. If I run like this, and one running on the treadmill, until his heart attacks comes and he falls. What happened? Sir, I went to gym and I wanted to be fit for COVID-19 and sudden cardiac, I don't know why my heart stopped. I collapsed in the gym. Hey, your cardiac recovery rate is a problem. Oh, you come in time. You need bypass surgery now. Now COVID-19 will start and opening the new avenues for the new problems, because craziness for the exercise, craziness for this body, unscientific. Do you think now, whatever I am educating about the fitness, endurance, physiology, balance, resistance, do you think anyone in the world is interested? Now at least post COVID-19, do you think the means of exercise will become scientific? You will see people never want to learn standards, even about this vehicle to keep it fit. Forget about the software, even about this hardware. Is it the way to keep the hardware in fitness by walking? By walking you become fit. By running on it, it's fine, you want to be fit. It's decided. You need to have a power, you need to have a speed, you need to have endurance, you need to have strength, you need to have a balance, you need to have flexibility. All these parameters and fitness. More than that is agility, fragility, flexibility. More than that, software. I just said none of these matter if your software is in your condition, in your control. If that COVID virus will come smell. Oh my God, this is yogi body. I can't multiply here. There's nothing to multiply here. That's why it lives. It will die. COVID virus. It won't come to you if your software is good. Otherwise, it's smelling your mind. Oh, very nice. It will multiply very quick. So that's why, if your software is strong, no mosquito will bite, no lion will harm, no snake will bite, and nothing happens. It is all about the software. It is nothing about the hardware. So that's why I said, your means of now everyone is racing. Who is not even never practiced in his lifetime a yoga, physical yoga. Now Engage the yoga teachers to teach you. Because it's a business now. Whatever the hard business, we have to enter into that business now. The next post-COVID-19, the hot business is many software companies started now portals for fitness portals. Everyone. Now, the fitness is going to be the $1 billion, it is going to be big business, Kumar, Everyone, now every ashram. So till yesterday they are talking about this mantra, and suddenly now this asana, this pranayama, this breathing, package. Everyone running behind. Now physical yoga. If you ask that guru, ask him to do asanas, he can't do. This is how the world is. Understand, it is not blaming anyone. World is not interested in the software. World is interested in the vehicle. Even in servicing his vehicle, he is not interested in knowing the science behind it. He doesn't want to go to authorized engineer to service his vehicle. He wants to give his vehicle, either he will become engineer without studying, or he will go to some stupid. For engineering his vehicle, for giving it. For Rolls-Royce car, where you give for service? You will give it for a Rolls-Royce garage, or you take it to somewhere on the roadside, someone is repairing it, and it would cost you less, so you will give your Rolls-Royce car for servicing there on the roadside. So God has given this Rolls-Royce car to you, and the means of service. I know my servicing. You know your vehicle servicing, Rolls-Royce servicing. You don't even know how to service your this mirror. Because the world is interested in worshipping the mirror, treating this vehicle as a mirror, the software as a mirror, this gadget which is holding for the software as a mirror. The purpose of this gadget is only for the software, nothing else. Otherwise this gadget has no meaning. Similarly, the purpose of this vehicle is only for software. So all these two you have to go one who knows software, hardware, first of all. You should know the one who, when you are looking for a guru, who knows software, who knows hardware. You should go only to such a guru. That's what Krishnamacharya told.